Ah, hey YouTube, I'm Daniel Boone, and today we're going to be cooking a pork roast. First thing we got to do, we got to season the meat. I already got my seasonings out. Now I got to find out what am I going to put this meat on. So we got these little handy things that we can put meat on. You got the chicken, you got the beef, you got the vegetables. We're going to be doing beef roast, so grab that out. Grab your meat, bring your meat over. I just got all the seasons that we like in this household. So you can use whatever season that you want to. Extra just in case the meat didn't get in there. So basically, once you got your stuff seasoned up, now we want to sear it. Okay, now that you have your meat seasoned, you want to turn your fryer on or whatever. You got your skillet, you got your fire on. I put it on high. I want to make my pan as hot as possible. It's got to be like really hot. So you want to pour your oil in there really hot. You don't want it to be too hot to where it's on fire. It is still oil, so you do have to worry about that. But once it gets really extremely hot, you'll start seeing the oil move in. You grab your meat and we're going to put it in. So now that you got that smoking that I was talking about, I'm going to just drop your meat in here. Okay. Then you sear it for about 10 seconds on one side. You want to be careful. You don't want to get splashed. You want to sear it on its other. Okay, once that one then really seared around, you want to try to get the edges to hold it. You want to. I kind of hold it a little bit. Try to get the edges. Let the meat like kind of fold on itself. Because if you look at it, like the insides are really showing. You want to get the little edges. Flip it over. Okay, now once you got your edges, you got your pan over here to the side. Gently lay it down. Doesn't that look nice? So next, we got our water in the bottom of the pan. So pretty much the water is going to boil and it's going to get really hot and it's going to steam the roast and help it cook a little bit. And then you want to take your aluminum foil and you want to cover your roast. Hour. So I'm just going to put it on for 60 minutes. Now the timer just went off and we are going to check our roast, and when we check it, after that, it should, go a couple more times. And we're going to check it in within an hour, and it should be done after that. So we're going to check it right now. Always let the heat escape. Somebody taught me that in home ec class. Look at it. Looks like it's doing good. I need a little bit more water. So probably going to grab my gloves and bring it out I'm going to take the foil off first. Just on the safe side so I can look at it. Look at that. Now, like right about now, you can see like those dark spots, and you know, it's a lot of water and stuff like that coming from the meat, so you're losing that excess water. But it's getting pretty done. Look at the bottom. See, it's not too tender, you know. Not tender, it's really hard still. So what I'm gonna do is Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and also turn on your notifications for our next do-it-yourself at home with Daniel Boone video. Thanks for watching, guys. Good night.